Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Hello. We'll do our meditation to begin.
Think about our center.
That's right. We're going to think about our heart center. 2 fingers to find it. Left hand in our lap. Great job. You know just what to do. Feel for that boom, boom in your heart center. When you feel that, move your right hand into your lap. Keep thinking about your heart center even though you're not touching it anymore. Let's end our meditation with 3 deep breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And slowly stand up. Everybody stand up straight and tall. Stretch your arms up as high as you can. Go up on your toes, get a little higher. Do a little jump. Good job. Stretch out all your fingers. And let's put our arms into a T. Instead of touching our toes, we're going to swing around. I tricked you. We're going to swing our arms so we can stretch our backs and our arms. Ooh, I like what Pang Pon is doing. We're going to do that next. I like that. That's a good idea. Did you see what your stretch? Pang Pon stretch is like this. See if you can touch your fingers behind your back. Good job, yeah. See if you can reach your fingers behind your back. Yes, good job. It's hard to do. Good thinking. Yeah, see if you can get your fingers to touch. I'm almost there. Not hard for you? Good job. Ooh, great job, friends. Switch arms. If you had your right hand up high, put your right hand low and put your left hand up high. See if you can touch your hands behind your back. Ooh, good job. One hand up high. Down your back like this. See if you can reach your other arm up to touch it. Ooh, I can't do it on that side. Can you do it? Oh, you're close. You're close. Yeah. Good job, friends. That's hard to do. Very nice. Very nice. Let's now touch our toes. Put your arms into a T. And touch your toes. Come up halfway and let your arms swing around. Big swings of your arms. Be careful of your neighbors. Very nice. Very nice. Stand up nice and tall. Show me how you grow. How do we grow? Yeah, we start in a small little ball. Get as small as you can. Grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. Grow! Good job. Let's do it again. Get into a tiny, tiny small ball. And we're going to grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. Grow! Good job. 3 times. Last time. Here we go. Our 3rd time. Get into a small little ball. Grow a little bit. I see. Grow a little bit more. Grow! Very nice, my friends. Let's do 3 claps. Do 3 jumps. Take 3 big steps. 3 spins. 3 spins around. And let's practice our sentences with learn. Yesterday, we learned. Today, we are learning. Tomorrow, we will learn. Learned. Learning. Will learn. Very nice, friends. Everybody take a seat. For today's lesson, we're going to keep thinking about different measurements of weight. So we're going to continue talking about heavy, light, grams, kilograms, and how we measure different things. We're also going to spend some time trying to find different objects around the classroom and maybe outside that weigh about 1 kilogram. So we'll use our scale, and we'll also try to feel out with our hands how much that feels like to weigh 1 kilogram and see if we can balance our scale. So first, let's talk about some vocabulary. What does heavy mean? Heavy. Yeah, like a rock. It's heavy. Something. A tree is heavy. A hole. An elephant. An airplane. A desk. A whiteboard. Are those TV? Are those things easy to pick up? Kind of. Are they easy to pick up or hard to pick up? Hard. Heavy things, yeah. Heavy things are hard to pick up. Show me something that's heavy to pick up. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, not heavy for you. Show me that's something that's heavy to pick up. Yeah. Would it be easy to pick up a car? No, that makes it heavy. Is that easy to pick up? Yeah. Is it heavy? No. Easy, yeah. So things that are heavy are very hard to pick up, or they're very hard to push. They weigh a lot. On our scale, if we had 2 heavy things, would this be our heavy thing? No. Would this be our heavy thing? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, on our scale, our heavy things go to the bottom. And what goes to the top? Our light things go to the top. Are light things easy to pick up or hard to pick up? Easy. Yeah, light things are very easy to pick up. Show me something that's easy to pick up that's light on your desk. Mm-hmm. Yeah, paper's easy, pencils, a comb, a ruler, those things, pencil, yeah. Sharpener, those things are all easy to pick up. What are some other things that are easy to pick up that are not on your desk that we talked about yesterday? Do you remember feather? A feather was easy to pick up. What about a paper clip? Was that easy to pick up or hard to pick up? Yeah, it was easy to pick up. Our water, yeah. Our water was 1 kilogram. It was a little heavier. Yeah, the comb was easy to pick up. Can I borrow your comb? Yeah, this comb is pretty easy to pick up. It's not heavy. It's pretty easy to pick up. Your pencil is easy to pick up. Yeah, thank you. Pencil, yeah. What is the word, pencil box, what does the word heavy start with? What letter? H. Everybody say letter H. Heavy. Heavy starts with an H, an E, a heavy. What letter? V and Y. Good job. Heavy. Heavy things are easy to pick up, right? Heavy things are easy to pick up?
No.
No, heavy things are very hard to pick up. They're hard to pick up. What is the opposite of heavy? We have heavy and light. What letter does light start with?
L.
L, good. Yeah, everybody say L. Light. Good job, and Lakau's spelling light for us. I, then it gets kind of funny. G-H-T, light. So we have, everybody show me with your hand scale. Show me heavy on your right hand, heavy on your right hand. So what is your left hand? Is it heavy?
No.
What is it? Light. So heavy on your right hand, light on your left hand. Switch. Show me heavy on your left hand, light on your right hand. Do those two words rhyme? Light and right?
Yeah.
They do. Heavy on our left hand, light on our right hand. What if two things weigh the same? How would our scales look?
Equal.
Yeah, they would look equal. Is equal like this?
No.
Is equal like this?
No.
What?
Yes.
Okay, equals like this. Yeah, when two things weigh the same, the scale will show them kind of equals like this. So when we're measuring the weight of our objects today, I want you to think about your hands being like scales and imagine if they're equal, if they weigh about the same, or if they feel like this, or more like this, because we're going to be feeling some things with our hands and then testing them out on our scale. But first, we are going to do a little drawing activity. So everybody get out your colored pencils. And we've got some paper. I want you to split your paper into 2 parts. So you can take your ruler and draw a line, or you don't have to. You choose. If you want to draw a line, you can.
Thank you.
So you're going to split your paper into 2 parts.
Like that. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can choose any color you want. Choose any color you want. So on one side of your paper, you're going to write the word light. On the other side, you're going to write the word heavy. Heavy. So light and heavy. One side of your paper will say light. The other side here will say heavy. And it doesn't matter which order. You can put light and then heavy, or heavy and then light. It doesn't matter. You choose.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So you're going to put one side to say heavy, heavy, and the other side to say light, light. Ooh, you can fold it in half. That's a good way to do it. Good thinking. Good thinking. So one side heavy, heavy. The other side. Good. The other side light, light. And it doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be exact. But copy our words heavy and light. Heavy, light. Good job. So once you have those words copied down onto your paper, I want you to think about our activity we did in our last lesson, where we had our board split in half just like this, and we brought all our little flashcards up and we put them on the side of the board if they were light or if they were heavy. So think about some of those things we used yesterday. I'm going to borrow yours. Some of those things we used yesterday that were light, like a letter, or a pencil, or a flower. And I want you to choose one thing that you remember from yesterday or our last lesson that was very light, and I want you to draw it on your paper. So think about one thing from our last lesson, from our flashcards, of something that you put on the board that was light, and draw it on your paper. It's okay if you took it home. Just try to think about one of the things you put on the board from yesterday. Just try to think about one of the things you put on the board that was light, and draw it on your picture under the side that says light. And you're going to do the same thing with heavy. You're going to think about one of the pictures from yesterday that was something that would be very heavy to lift up. And you're going to draw a picture of something that's heavy on that side of your paper. So think about something from yesterday that was very heavy. Nice. And think about something that was very light.
One thing.
Just one thing. And you're going to draw it nice and big. Okay, that works. That's no problem. That's cool. So think about something that was very heavy and something that was very light. You're going to draw it on your picture, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Draw a picture.
Draw a picture?
Yeah. Draw a picture of something that was oh, that's a good idea. Very nice. How funny. That works for me. I like your thinking. I like it. It's a cat comb. Cool. Good job, too. That looks great. Very nice. A car is heavy. An eraser is light. An eraser is light. Good job, friends. Think of something real heavy. What's something real heavy? First, you want to do this side first? Something light. Something light for this side. Something heavy for that side. An ant is very light. You're right. A bee is very light. Is an elephant light? Woo. I don't know. You'd have to be pretty strong for an elephant to be light. A box? A box? Okay. 10 books?
Yeah.
That's heavy. Yeah, 10 books.
Draw a picture of one book
And they're in a big pile?
Yeah.
Okay. That would be heavy. And then remember, if it's more than one, we have an S. More than one? Good job. Very nice. Look at that ant. He's very light. He's very light. Your eraser? That's pretty light. Yeah, that's very light. It is a big eraser. It's a huge eraser. It's bigger than your table. Okay, we're going to think about estimating or guessing the weight of our heavy object. Like we did yesterday. So feel this water bottle and pass it around to your friends so we can share. Yeah. Feel how heavy this water bottle feels. And I want you to imagine that you're like a scale and that you have your very heavy object in one hand, like your house, or your table, or your shark. And imagine how many water bottles would you need for it to be even, for your scale to become equal. So think about that in your mind. How many of those water bottles would you need to make your scale equal for your very, very heavy item? Is it 10 water bottles? Is it 20? Is it 500 water bottles? Try to think about and guess for your very heavy object. If you were holding it in one hand, how many water bottles would you need to hold in this hand so that your scale would be equal? Try to think about that. Think about how many of those water bottles you would need to make your scale balance or be equal. Balance. It's okay. Yeah. How many water bottles do you think it would take for your 10 heavy books, Lakao? How many water bottles do you think? If you had your 10 big books in one hand, how many water bottles would you need to balance it? Just one for your table? I think you need more than one. Try to think about that. How many would you need to balance? Pangpon, how many would you need if you had your house, your home, in one hand? How many water bottles would you need in this hand to balance it?
100.
You would need 100 for your table? 200? Okay. 1,000 for your box? 10? Okay. You think one? I think it's more than one. Okay. And remember yesterday, do you think 2 for your table? You think only 2 of these? Yeah, I think probably a little more. Remember yesterday, do you remember how much our water bottle weighed from our last lesson? Yeah, 1 what?
1 kg. 1 gram.
Not a gram. Remember our paper clip was a gram. This was 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
Yeah, kilogram. Good thinking though. 1 kilogram. So this weighs about 1 kilogram. I want you to think about how many kilograms you would need for your heavy object
100.
to be balanced out. You think 100? Okay. You think 10? Okay. Under your picture, I want you to write your number. So you're going to write your number. If you think it's 10, if you think it's 100, you're going to write your number.
200.
And we're going to use the letter K. We're going to use the letter K. Why?
I think 5.
You think 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are we going to use the letter K?
Kilogram.
Yeah, it's going to stand for kilograms. So we'll put kilograms here. But you only have to write the letter K.
Heavy.
Yeah, G. Grams. R-A-M-S. Okay? So take your best guess. Think about how many kilograms it would take if you had your heavy object in one hand and water bottles in this hand. How would you balance that scale? How many water bottles would it take? Everybody got their guess?
100.
100? That's a good guess. 200 kilograms for your car?
0 kilograms.
Good job. Okay, everybody feel this paper clip.
Thank you.
Pick up this paper clip in your hand.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. 0. Is it very heavy, that paper clip? Is it easy to pick up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to pick up.
Me too.
Lakao's got a handmade scale there. Very nice. So now you're going to hold that paper clip in one hand. And I want you to pretend, pretend like you have your light object in your other hand. Like your eraser or your apple or your paper. And I want you to think about how many paper clips would you need to balance your scale? Would you need 3 paper clips to balance out your scale? Would you need 20 paper clips to balance out your scale? 200? Paper clip. You can hold on to it. Think about it for your eraser. To balance out. Here, hold it in your hand.
Zero.
Hold it in your hand while you hold that eraser. How many do you think?
Zero.
0?
That.
So this one's heavier than the paper clip?
Yeah.
So how many paper clips will we need to put to make it balance out?
Zero.
Yeah. How many would you need? 10 paper clips?
No.
How many?
0.
0?
One.
You just one? It's pretty light.
One.
Yeah. So
Okay.
let's see. Oh, I think you need a few more paper clips than one. Does this feel heavier?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we would need to put more paper clips here in this hand to make it balance like this. How many paper clips do you think we would need? I think more than one,
2.
because it's heavy. Feel this one in your hand. Which one feels heavier?
Big. Heavy.
Yeah, it's heavier. So think about how many paper clips you would need to put in your hand to make the scale go even like that.
People.
Yeah, would you need 10 paper clips?
No.
How many would you need?
1.
Did that make a change? Not really, right? Yeah. So we would need to put more paper clips in here, more paper clips. Think about how many paper clips you would need. One for your comb? What do you think? What do you think? Is it the same with one? Do they feel the same? Can I try? Oh yeah, they feel pretty light. Yeah, B probably would be 0 paper clips. Yeah. What do you think? Do these feel about the same? Which one feels heavy? You think 9? To balance. That's a really good guess. 9G, yeah, good. That's a great guess. Good thinking. Good. Do you remember how much that paper clip weighs from our last lesson? Is that paper clip a kilogram? What do you think? Is that paper clip a kilogram? How much does that paper clip weigh? A kilogram? Same as the water bottle? Very nice. Very nice. 2. Our paper clip weighs about 1 gram. We're going to say it's about 1 gram. 1 gram. So on your paper, you're going to think about how many grams, the number of grams it would take to balance your light object, and how many paper clips you would need to make your scale balance out. It's G. So you're going to write your number like 3 or 32. And what letter are we going to use? What letter? G, yeah. We're going to use the letter G to stand for grams. How do I spell grams?
G R
A M S. Do you see the word grams in kilograms? Yeah, the word grams is in kilograms. So write down your best guess for your light object. Think about how many paper clips it would take to balance your scale. You think 26 for that eraser? That's a good guess. Or 2 grams. Oh, that's a G. Okay, 2 grams. That's a good guess. Okay, Brand. You think 9 for your comb? That's a great guess.
B.
The B? The B stand you? Your ant?
Yeah.
How many do you think for your ant? The baby ants? They would be very light. Yeah, very light. Baby bee. Oh, that baby bee is asleep? So small. Okay, good job, friend. Hey, we're going to have some friends come up and share what they drew with us. So let's have this half come on up. This half, our first 4 friends, bring your paper. Bring your paper with you. Pot, come on up. Bring your paper with you. And these 4 friends are going to listen and look at what our friends have drawn. So fold your paper in half. So we're first going to talk about our light side. Our light side. Like that. Pictures on the outside, on your light side. Let's have everybody go and tell me what you drew for your light object. What did you draw?
Eraser.
An eraser. Nadia, what did you draw for your light item?
Orange.
An orange. orange. That's pretty light. What did you draw? An eraser. Pot, what did you draw for your light item?
Apple.
An apple. Very nice. Those are very light items. Okay, what did you draw for your heavy item?
Desk.
A desk. What did you draw for your heavy item? A car. That's heavy.
Table.
A table is heavy.
Box.
On a box. Good job, my friends. Very nice. Thank you, thank you. Next four friends, come on up. Fold your paper in half. Show me what you drew. Two, come on up. Show me what you drew for your light item. What did you draw for your light item?
Bee.
A bee. What did you draw for your light item?
Car.
A comb. What did you draw? An eraser. Two, what did you draw for your light item? An ant? An ant? That's very light. Very light. What did you draw for your heavy item?
10 big books.
10 big books. Very nice. What did you draw?
Home.
A desk. A home. What did you draw for your heavy item? Your heavy. What is that? What is that guy?
Whale.
A whale? A whale. That's very heavy. Very nice, my friends. Good job. Great job sharing. Great job sharing. You can go back. Thank you very much. Okay. So remember, how much does our water bottle weigh? I forget.
1 kilogram.
1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Great job with your pictures. We're going to take a few more minutes. Let's have everybody stand up and look around our classroom. If you want to go outside for a little bit, you can. Look around our classroom. Feel this water bottle. Think if you can find or look for something that weighs about the same. If you want to go outside, you can. So think about finding something that weighs about the same as that water bottle. You want to feel it? You can go outside. You can take the water bottle with you. You can look in the classroom. You choose. So our friends are going to look for something that weighs about the same as a kilogram or 1 water bottle. And we're going to measure them when we return. Heavier. Yeah, it's probably heavier. What do you think? Think about that water bottle. Heavier or lighter? You think the rock is lighter? Oh, wow. I thought that would be heavy. It's very light. Ooh, pretty good. Heavy or light? Heavy. Uh-oh. Think about just one. Think about that water bottle. We're going to go back inside and measure that water bottle. Think about it. That rock. Think about it. I'm surprised. Those rocks I thought would be heavy. What do you think? Do you think this is about the same as the water bottle? What do you think? Lighter or heavier? Yeah, I think that one's heavier. Do you think yours is lighter? Pretty close. Yeah, I thought these rocks would be very heavy, but they're not very heavy. Okay, we've got some rocks from outside. Looks like everybody has grabbed 1 or 2 rocks. So let's have some friends come on up and feel if their rock is heavier than a water bottle, about the same as a water bottle, or what they think comparing this water bottle. Okay, let's have Pak Bung and Nadir, come on up. Okay, you don't have to. So hold your rock in one hand, hold the water bottle in one hand. How do you think they feel? Do they feel, here, hold it. Hold it like that. Yeah, you're gonna drop it, hold on to it. How do you think they feel? Which one feels heavier? Which one feels heavier, the water bottle?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, some of our rocks are very light. They look heavy, but they're very light. What do you think? Is your rock heavier than the water bottle?
Yes.
Heavier? Let's see. Oh yeah, that rock is heavier than that water bottle. Good job. Here's your. What do you think? Let's see. Ooh, they're pretty close. They're pretty close. I think the rock's a little heavier. I think it's a little heavier. Good job, friends. Okay, who else wants to measure? Come on up. Okay, everybody's gonna get a hold your water bottle. Hold your rock. Which one feels heavier? Which one feels heavier? No, which one feels heavier? Does your water bottle, here, we're gonna switch. Does your water bottle feel heavier than the rock? Which one feels heavier?
This feels heavier.
Than the rock? Okay, which one feels heavier, the rock or the water bottle? The rock's heavier?
Rock heavier.
Let's see. Oh yeah, you're right.
Rock heavier.
You're right. Good job. Good job. Which one is heavier, the rock or the water bottle?
Rock.
The rock is heavier. Oh yeah, that rock is heavier. Okay, let's have two more friends come up and measure. Come on up. Yep, then we'll have two in pot. Come on. What do you think? Is your rock heavier than that water bottle? Feel with your hands. What do you think? Show me with your hands. Which one's heavier? Heavier one goes to the bottom. Heavier one goes to the bottom. Heavier one's on the bottom. Is your rock heavier?
No.
Yeah, so the rock would go to the bottom. Let's see. Oh yeah, that rock is heavier. Very nice. Can you give this to Pot? Let's see. Oh, ooh. Oh, that one's really close. That one's really close. That one's hard to tell. We're going to use that for our scale. Can you give two? Come on up. Pot, come on up. Measure with your rock and your water bottle. Compare them in your hands. See which one's heavier. What do you think? Show me with your hands. The heavy one should go to the bottom. Turn it up. Heavier one should go to the bottom. The lighter one will go to the top. What do you think? Which one is heavier?
Rock.
The rock. Show me with your hands. The rock on the bottom.
Rock.
Rock. Rock is lighter or heavier? Heavy, so we need to switch. The rock is heavy? Yeah, so it's going to hang like that. Very nice, friends. Very nice. Pot, what about your other rock?
Rock.
Get that rock. Very nice. Good job, my friend. Heavy rock. You can take your rock. You can take your rock. What do you think? The water bottle is heavier than that rock? Yeah, that's a light rock. Let's put it in our scale. Let's put it in our scale. Let's put our water bottle here. Let's put the rock on that side. What do you think? Do you think the scale will be equal? Oh, which one's heavier, the rock or the water bottle? The water bottle. Very nice, very nice. Let's have Down measure her rock with the water bottle because those were really close. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Show everybody your rock. Hold up your rock real high. Can you put it on the table? Yeah, come on up. Show everybody your rock. What do you think? And the water bottle. Which one do you think is heavier, Down's rock or her water bottle? Think the water bottle? The rock. Equal. I don't know, they're so close. Raise your hand if you think the rock will be heavier. Raise your hand if you think the rock will be heavier. Raise your hand if you think the water bottle will be heavier. Raise your hand if you think they will be equal. They will weigh the same. Okay, let's find out. Let's see. Let's find out how these items compare. Okay, put one on each side. We've got our rock. We've got our water bottle. What do you think? The water bottle is a little bit heavier. Good guessing, friends. Very nice job. Very nice job. Great, you can take your rock. Okay, thanks for joining us today for our math lesson about weight. Which things are heavy? Tell me some things that are very heavy. Hurrah. Yeah. What are some things that are very heavy? A house. Good. What are some things that are very light? Yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay. What do we use to measure very light things?
Gram.
G for grams. What do we use to measure very heavy things? Kilograms. What letters do we use for kilograms? Yeah, K or KG. Very nice. Thank you very much. Can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.